Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Calculus 1. In this video, we're going to look at inverse function. I'm going to explain inverse functions by using an example. I have two functions, g of x is equal to uh, 8x plus 5 and f of x equals x over 8 minus 5 over 8. Both of these are one-to-one functions. This is one of the conditions that the function should satisfy for it to have a inverse function. Now let's look at the composite functions. If you don't remember what is one-to-one, what a one-to-one function is, and also what a composite function is, please go ahead and look at the previous videos about functions, one-to-one functions, as well as composite functions. Now, f of g x is equal to f of g of x, which is f of g of x is 8x plus 5. Now I'm going to substitute for x here. 8x plus 5 divided by 8 minus 5 over 8. Now I have 8x over 8 plus 5 over 8 minus 5 over 8. These two cancel out, and then you have x. F naught gx is equal to x. I'm going to find g naught f x as well. That means g of f of x. G of f of x is 8 x over 8 minus 5 over 8. When substituting to g of x, that is 8 times x. Instead of x, you put 8 over x minus 5 over 8. X over 8 minus 5 over 8 plus 5. Now multiplying with this, you get x minus 5, right? Plus 5. You cancel these two and you get that. That means it is very interesting to see this f naught gx is equal to g naught fx, which is equal to x. So this is called identity function. And if you have f, x, and gx one-to-one functions, and also uh, f naught gx is equal to g naught fx is equal to x, that means g is the inverse function of f. That means you have f inverse is equal to g, and f is the inverse function of g, which is g inverse is equal to f. In this case, f and g must be one to one, must be one to one. And we can have several other examples as well. So uh, keep in mind, you need to find the composite functions to see whether that equals to identity function, and then you can find what the inverse function is. Well, thank you very much for listening to this short video of inverse functions. See you in another video.